Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, in the last class, we have seen the three states of matter, that is, solids, liquids, and gases. I hope you all have learned that portions well, right? Yes. Children, today we will continue the chapter solids, liquids, and gases and learn about change of form. Children, what is change of states of matter? The three forms of water, solid, liquid, and gas can change from one form to another by heating or cooling is called change of state of matter. Generally, the order in which change of state occurs is when we heat solid, it changes to liquid. Then, when we heat liquid, it turns to gas. When we cool down, this gas it converts to liquid. And when liquid it cools down, it converts to solid. First, change of solid into liquid. Solid can changes into liquid when heated. On heating a solid, it changes into a liquid. This process is called melting. What is melting? The process by which a solid changes into a liquid on heating is called melting. Let us see an example. Ice cream and candle melts when heated. Next, change of liquid into gas. Liquid can changes into vapor when heated. On heating a liquid, it changes into a gas. This process is called evaporation. What is evaporation? The process by which a liquid changes into a gas on heating is called evaporation. Let us see an example. Water changes into water vapor. Next, change of gas into liquid. Vapor changes into a liquid on cooling is called condensation. What is condensation? The process by which a gas changes into a liquid on cooling is called condensation. If you hold a lid or a plate above boiling water, the steam touches the lid. The steam then cools down and changes into tiny water droplets. Next, change of liquid into solid. Water freezes to form ice. A liquid can changes into solid on cooling. This is called freezing. What is freezing? The process by which a liquid changes into a solid on cooling is called freezing. Change of form. Water freezes to form ice. Ice melts to form water. When water is heated longer, small bubbles start forming. This process is called boiling. Steam rises up from boiling water. Steam is water in the form of a gas. The process by which water changes into steam on heating is called evaporation. Underline the word. Water changes into steam on heating is called evaporation. If you hold a lid or a plate above boiling water, The steam touches the lid. The steam then cools down and changes into tiny water droplets. This is called condensation. Steam condenses to form water. The three forms of water, solid, liquid and gas, can changes from one form to another by heating or cooling. Underline the word change from one form to another by heating or cooling. Look at the picture here. Solid change into liquid on heating. Solid changes into liquid on heating. This process is called melting. Next, the liquid changes into gas on heating. This process is called evaporation. Liquid changes into gas on heating. This process is called evaporation. Next, the gas changes into liquid on cooling. This process is called condensation. Gas changes into liquid on cooling. This process is called condensation. Next, liquid changes into solid on cooling. This process is called freezing. Liquid changes into solid on cooling. This process is called freezing. What is melting? The process by which a solid changes into a liquid on heating is called melting. Underline the word solid changes into a liquid on heating is called melting. Next, the process by which a liquid changes into a gas on heating is called evaporation. Underline the word a liquid changes into a gas on heating is called evaporation. Next, the process by which a gas changes into a liquid on cooling is called condensation. Underline the word a gas changes into liquid on cooling is called condensation. Next, the process by which a liquid changes into a solid on cooling is called freezing. Underline the word a liquid changes into a solid on cooling is called freezing. Children, take page number 53. Let us do the book exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Question number 1. A dash is a mixture of many gases, water or air. Answer air, A-I or air. Second one, all living things need dash to live. Oxygen or water vapor. Answer oxygen, O-X-Y-G-E-N. Third one, water dash to form ice. Freezes or melts. Answer freezes, F-R-E-E-Z-E-S, freezes. Fourth one, dash is water in a vapor form. Steam or ice. Answer steam, S-T-E-A-M, steam. Fifth one, steam dash to form water. Evaporates or condenses. Answer condenses, C-O-N-D-E-N-S-E-S, condenses. Next, choose the correct option. First one, in which of these forms does water exist in nature? Solid, liquid, gas, all of these. Answer B, liquid. B option. Second one, which of these is not true about air? It is a gas. It contains oxygen, which is a liquid. C, it contains oxygen that is needed by all living beings. D, it has no shape or size. Answer B, it contains oxygen which is a liquid. Next, third one, what comes out when water is heated? Steam, ice, water, condensation. Answer steam. Fourth one, which of these do not flow and cannot be poured into containers? Solids, liquids, gas, all of these. Answer solids. Next, fifth one, which of these process help to change steam into water? Condensation, cooling, boiling, both A and B. Answer condensation and cooling. So answer is both A and B. Sixth one, Sixth one, which of the following do not have a shape and size of its own? Solids, liquids, gases, all of these. Answer, gases. Seventh one, what state of matter is oil? Solid, liquid, gas, both B and C. Answer, liquid. Eighth one, which of these does air contain? Only oxygen, water vapor, many gases, all of these. Answer, all of these. Page number 54, Roman number 2, very short answer type questions. Give one word for the following. First one, things that do not flow and have fixed shape and size. Answer, solids. S-O-L-I-D-S, solids. Second one, things that can easily flow and take the shape of the container. Answer, liquids. L-I-Q-U-I-D-S, liquids. Third one, the process by which water changes to ice on cooling. Answer, freezing. F-R-E-E-Z-I-N-G, freezing. Next, give two examples for the following. Solids, pen, salt, P-E-N, pen, salt, S-A-L-T, salt. Liquids, water, oil, W-A-T-E-R, water, oil, O-I-L, oil. Third one, gases, oxygen, water vapor, O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen, water vapor, W-A-T-R, water vapor, V-A-P-O-U-R, water vapor. Fourth one, process that change water from one form to another. Evaporation, condensation, E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N, evaporation. Condensation, C-O-N-D-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N, condensation. Take your science booklet. Lesson 5, solids, liquids and gases. Roman number 1, answer the following questions. Already we have written 2 questions, right? Yes. Now you write the remaining questions. Okay. Question number 3. What is evaporation? The process by which water changes into steam on heating is called evaporation. Question number 4. What is condensation? The process by which steam cools down and changes into tiny water droplets is called condensation. Next, 5th question. With the help of a labeled diagram, show how water changes its form. Solid, this is ice cubes. Solid changes into liquid. On heating, this process is called melting. Next, liquid changes into gas or steam. On heating, this process is called evaporation. Next, gas changes into liquid on cooling. This process is called condensation. Next, liquid changes into solid on cooling. This process is called freezing. Okay.